So I'm sure you'll agree that when you finish with your airbrushing and you want to switch to another airbrush that has your other colour in it, it can be annoying because you need to kink your hose, unscrew it, grab your other brush, hook it back up, which is really annoying and can also damage your hose. The other option is to run a manifold like this one here. And then you need a whole heap of different hoses to hook up to your airbrush, so that's not really practical either. So to solve this issue, what I like using are quick connects. And let me tell you, the SPARMAX quick connects, in my opinion, are a fantastic choice. They're a quality setup at a decent price, and you don't have to worry about the leakage that you get from a lot of the cheaper models. They come as a female, and then you also have the male barb. And the best thing with the quick connect is that you only need one of the females hooked up to your hose, and it's easily fitted with that 1/8 thread, which fits a majority of the airbrush hoses. And let's say you have half a dozen airbrushes that you're using to swap through colors when you're creating your artwork. Well, you just need to buy 6 of these male ends, hook that up to your airbrush. Again, nice and easy, just screw it on. It's the same 1/8 inch fitting, and then you just click them together, and there you have it. You have instant air. And the beauty of it is you can now disconnect and then quickly reconnect another airbrush. And even though this is a different male fitting from a different supplier, it still fits perfectly to the female end of the SPARMAX. So to fast track your learning, you can definitely check out our online airbrushing course at airbrushassylum.thinkific.com, or you can continue to watch some of the videos that I've got listed here. And until next time, go grab your airbrush, do some amazing artwork yourself, and I'll see you again very, very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.